Alright, here is a look at the Sumitu, hope I pronounced that right, pillow 2-pack, and I'm very interested to see how there's 2 queen-size pillows crammed in this box, but that should be fun. So, I don't know if you can see that, but there we go, queen-size 2-pack of pillows. So, there's some instructions there, so interested to open this up and see how it's packed in there. So I guess I need to be careful that they don't explode out of here being crammed in. But alright, so this would be how they're jammed in there. I don't think that's going to happen. We'll switch to scissors to avoid doing any damage here. So let me open one of these up and see what happens. I guess they're just tightly vacuum sealed, so I don't know if you can hear that, but air rushing in, so I guess it's going to come to life. Try that. There we go. Nice. Here we go. Full-size queen pillow there. Alright, so I have never actually reviewed a pillow before. Not sure what would sort of be sensible, but one thing I came up with was comparing it to a regular pillow that I have, and let's just sort of use something fixed. I think that's a 8-pound bowling ball, might be a little heavier. I'm not sure. So you know, squishes down pretty good. Obviously giving some support there, and I don't know, probably a good comparison to a person's head. I don't know. I'm not gonna put my head on it right now for video because I don't think you need to see that. So I may just sort of compare to a regular queen, just generic pillow. I don't know, we picked up at Kohl's or something like that we've had. So looks pretty similar in support. If I get that to actually stay. So pretty squishy there. In sort of comparison here, this is maybe a little puffier to start. So I don't know, I've seen reviews of this pillow all over, from it's too fluffy to too not fluffy enough. I don't know, it's comparable, maybe a little less to start, and but it seems to give just about as much support as our existing pillow here. So hopefully that is a helpful look